So we're looking at the Ant Stuff toy store, and there's some toys in the truck and some toys in the store. Take a moment and try and figure out how many are in the truck and how many are in the store. You may have noticed that here we have 100 yo-yos, 10, 10, and each of these are one yo-yo. So as you added them together, you might have noticed 100, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. We have 129 yo-yos in the truck. Here, you might have noticed 100 plus 100 plus 10 plus 10. We have 223 yo-yos. Here is the story problem. It is spring and suddenly everyone wants a yo-yo. The toy store already has 223 yo-yos in stock, but they decided to order 129 more. How many yo-yos will they have in all? When we just looked at the picture, it was not really clear what the truck with the yo-yos and the store with the yo-yos was saying. But once we read the story, it's pretty clear that we're going to be doing an addition problem, adding the two different groups of yo-yos together. We had 123 yo-yos and 129 yo-yos, and the question asks, how many in all? I'm going to be showing you a couple ways you might work on this problem. I've got 100, 200, 23. I have 100, 20, 123, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. I'm looking for a set of 10 ones. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 ones here. I'm looking at my tens. I do not have another 100 with my tens. So I have 300, 10, 320, 330, 340, 350, 51, 52. 352 is my answer. I am showing my equation. 223 plus 129 equals 352. I've used quick tens and ones. I have here 223 plus 129. I can take my 200 plus 100. I have 300. I can take my 20 plus 20. I have 40. I can take my 3 and my 9, and I have 12. I can add them together, and I have 352. That is all totals. I have my open number line. I have closed it by starting it with 223. I have changed it from being completely open to showing the starting place. I am adding 100 because we are adding 129. I have added 30 more, which equals 353, but that's not quite accurate. I need to go back minus 1 because really we were adding 129, which equals 352. So I know that 223 plus 129 equals 352. Some of you might be working at this point. I have my equation. I've shown it in expanded form. We have 3 plus 9 equals 12, 20 plus 20 equals 40, 200 plus 100 equals 300. This together equals 352. Some of you may be here. We have 223 plus 129. 3 plus 9 does not equal 2. It equals 12. We take our 10 and we move it to the top of the tens row. 10 plus 20 plus 20 equals 50, which we write as a 5 down here. Then we have 200 plus 100, which is 300, which we write as a 300 down here. You're going to be working with triple digit equations.